This hair is so cute, you guys. You cannot even tell. This is like not my puff ball right here. What the girls say is giving scalp. This is giving real hair, like, period. Okay, part one. My nose is literally running. Can you guys see? Disgusted. Part one is done. Now we're gonna go in with the edges. When you go in with a toothbrush and get all the fine hairs, it just does something. I got this off of Sam's Beauty. I will leave it in the link in the description box down below. Oh my gosh, let me put some lip gloss on because, like, hey yo, when your lips is brown and it matches your skin color, it just look ashy for some reason. Like, why? Sam's Beauty. This is Ultra Pretty Quick Ponytail Afro Medium 1B. When I seen this, y'all, I was like, say less, because this little Oni tail up here, no, it's not hitting. Okay, it's just not. So there you go. Comes with this little stuffing. So this is her, just a little Afro Puff. My nose, once again, like, geez Louise. As soon as I want to start making a video, my nose want to start running. I swear, as soon as I get around my boyfriend and we start, like, making out or whatever like that, like, TMI. My nose literally, like, starts to run. Like, I don't fucking know. And I have to stop and, like, wipe my nose, you know what I mean? Like, or even if I, like, hug him, I don't know, I'm probably allergic to him, okay? At this point, I'm starting to think I'm allergic to him. I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt it. So you have two, oh, you guys can barely see. You have two combs, and then you have a drawstring to tighten that bad boy on, and then boom, it's sticking. So I'm gonna put in the front and the back and just put it in there. Okay, y'all see how, what? I always suggest to use, this is probably the back, but it's all good. I always suggest to use bobby pins, just because we don't want to be around, you know what I mean, swinging our ponytail and then that motherfucker fall off. You feel me? So yeah, She looks so like, I look like my daughter in her ponytail. Like, we twins now. Like, she ain't the only one that got hair, okay? She ain't the only one. So, oh, yo, that's a little too tight. Better. Okay. Rag. This is really cute, you guys. Like, no cap. This is so cute, so natural. Not your normal lace fronts, braids, nothing. It just looks like natural black hair. Lay this bad boy down. Let me wipe my nose one last time. You guys, it's funny. I have no clue who fucking Rag this is. I don't even smoke weed, by the way. Not that y'all care, okay? Not that there's anything wrong with it. Your girl just don't partake in those activities. But yeah, I have this, and I think it's really cute. And I like wearing it, apparently, because, like, this is the one I always go for. I might have something in me that's like, girl, go ahead and puff, puff, pass. Go ahead and puff, puff, pass. But not too much. Not yet. Anyways, I have to go into work. And most likely I'm late right now, so make sure you guys like this video, comment down below, share the video to support your girl, because yeah I have to go, okay? And I don't want to say anything too much because I don't want to reach, but I know they're gonna forgive me because, like, it's me. Okay, anyways, I'll be back. Oh yeah, I'll be back with the finished look, you guys. So yeah, wait, I'm gonna go to work. When I get off, I'm gonna do my makeup, get all glamorous and cute, put on a little something cute for y'all, and then you'll see the finished look, and you guys will see like how bomb this hair really is. But yeah, I'll be back later. Guys so much for watching this hair tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you have type 4 hair, you need to try this little puff ball right here. It's so cute and so natural. But that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video.